What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, I got the Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck. And what the whole internet is trying to figure out is, does this display have an issue or not? A lot of people feel like this newer display on the S24 Ultra doesn't get as bright. A lot of people feel like it might be the anti-glare. Samsung did put a new coating on here that's doing really good with the glare, 75% less glare. Loving that. But I'm about to explain to y'all exactly what's going on in this video, so let's get to it. Okay, YouTube, so the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a new screen, it's a new material, it's Corning Gorilla Glass Armor. Very strong material, very anti-scratch material, and also at the same time, it gets rid of glare really well. But since we've got this new device, a lot of people feel like the saturation that a lot of people that come to Samsung for isn't there. Like, if you use other devices and came to a Samsung device, you wouldn't feel like you were missing saturation. But people that use Samsung devices on the regular felt like that saturation wasn't there like it is normally on other Samsung devices, and it's not. Let me show y'all exactly what's going on. All I have to do is go to the display settings, guys, and I go down to screen mode. Now, when you go down to screen mode, you can put this screen in vivid or natural. Now, natural looks how it always looked on Samsung devices, looked exactly the same. You put it in vivid, and as you can see, it didn't change much. And it should have changed, because when you're in vivid, you could change the white balance from cool to warm. I'm at the warmest setting, and between natural and vivid, there's not much change, and it should be a substantial change. Now, as you can see, I got my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 right now is in natural. As you can see, it's natural. I'm gonna go from natural to vivid screen mode. Watch, when I go to vivid, it's a drastic change. Natural, then I go to vivid. You can see a big change in the saturation, guys. As you can see, the color is warmer and more saturated on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 compared to the S24 Ultra. Now, it's not a big problem or issue, especially if you're somebody that likes your device in the natural mode. You like the colors to look very natural. You're not into all that Samsung saturation. But for the Samsung Knights that love the Samsung saturation, they're wondering where the saturation went. But somebody post screenshot where they actually talked to the customer service at Samsung, and Samsung is gonna address this, because it's basically a software glitch. The screen could get much more saturated, but for some reason, it's a glitch in the software on the toggle where it's not turning that saturation up. And they said it will be addressed in the next update. They didn't say exactly any dates or anything like that, but that is something that's on the way if it's an issue for you and you really missing that saturation. But I just wanted to put this out there and share the difference. Your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.